Hello all, welcome back to grittyvlogs channel. Sree Sonda Vadiraja Mutt. It is a famous and sacred place in Sonda. It is a peaceful village which is near Sirsi in Karnataka. It is an important place for the followers of Madhwa philosophy. This mutt is connected to Sri Vadiraja Swamiji, a great saint and a philosopher of the 16th century. The mutt is built in a traditional style. There is a temple dedicated to Sri Vadiraja Swamiji, where devotees come to offer prayers. Many people come here not only for religious reasons, but also to enjoy the scenery and the natural beauty of the place. The place is surrounded by lush green forests, small rivers and hills, making it perfect for meditation and spiritual reflection. The fresh air and the sounds of nature create a calm and divine environment. One of the most important places in the mutt is the Brindavana of Sri Vadiraja Swamiji. It is believed that he entered Sajeeva Samadhi while meditating. Devotees visit this spot to seek blessings and experience spiritual peace. Devotees are served prasadam in the mutt's dining hall, which is simple yet tasty. In this mutt, special pujas and bhajans are conducted regularly. Vadiraja Aradhana is an important festival here, which is celebrated here with devotion and grandeur. The mutt also provides you rooms to stay. They charge around 500 rupees per day. They also provide you lockers to safeguard your belongings. The mutt is surrounded by thick forests, waterfalls and hills, making it a perfect place for peace seekers. On our way back to Sirsi, we visited Sri Swarnavalli Mahasamsthanam Math. It is a famous spiritual center located in Sonda. It follows the Advaita philosophy of Adi Shankaracharya. This mutt is known for its tradition, knowledge and service to society. The temple inside the mutt is dedicated to Lord Vedavyasa and Lord Lakshmi Narayana, where daily prayers and rituals are conducted. The mutt also runs an educational and social service programs, including Vedic studies, charity and environmental protection. The mutt is surrounded by calm green natural beauty. So after visiting Swarnavalli Matta, we started our journey towards Sirsi. Marikamba Temple in Sirsi. It is a famous and sacred temple dedicated to goddess Marikamba, an incarnation of Durga Mata. It was built in 1688. This temple is known for its huge idol of the goddess, which is about 7 feet tall. The temple's architecture is traditional and colorful, attracting thousands of devotees every day. Every 2 years, the Marikamba Jatre is held. Devotees believe that the goddess Marikamba protects them from evil and blesses them with strength and prosperity. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please do like, share and subscribe. So let us meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.